All right, hello again, everyone. So in the last worksheet that we did, we were adding some beats together. And we can see over here on the left-hand side, right here, there's some examples of that, right? That look exactly like the ones that we did in the last worksheet. But over here on the right-hand side, underneath where it says rest, we have some strange squiggly symbols. So these strange squiggly symbols, or little top hats or little boxes or whatever, they are rest. So for the notes, if I saw, for example, number one, that is one beat plus one beat. And I would, if I was a musician, I would play something on those beats. But if I want a musician to play nothing, if I just want them to rest and make no noise, I'd use these squiggly symbols. So I'm going to draw you a little, a kind of legend here at the top to help you out with some of these. So if you have this squiggly symbol here, let me see if I can do a better job of drawing that for you. So this squiggly symbol here is called a quarter rest, and it gets one beat. Okay. The little top hat is called a half rest. So if you have a bar and then a little hat on top, okay, these are called half rest, and just like a half note, they get two beats. Okay, and the final one that you need to know about is called, I'm going to draw it over here on the left, is called a whole rest. Now a whole rest looks a lot like a half rest. The only difference is that the little box is on the bottom with a whole rest, and this gets 4 beats. Okay, so a quarter note, the squiggle, quarter rest gets 1 beat. The half rest with the hat on the top, the box on the top, gets 2 beats. And finally, the whole rest with the little box on the bottom gets 4 beats. So let's do a couple examples here. I'm first going to look at number 12. Okay, so number 12 has a half rest plus a quarter rest. Again, I see the box is on top here, so I know that gets 2 beats. Then I want to add a squiggle or one of these quarter rest, right? And again, if you look at the legend I've drawn on top, a quarter rest gets 1 beat. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 beats. Yeah. Let's do one more of these rest examples, and then we'll do one of the note examples, which are very similar to the last sheet that we did. So, let's look down here. This is a good one, number 17. Okay, so what I notice here is that I'm adding the same thing together, and that both of these, the box is on the bottom, so these are whole rest. And again, if I reference the horrible drawings that I did for you up at the top of the page, if the box is on the bottom, trying to fix it, I think I'm just making it worse. If the box is on the bottom, it gets 4 beats. So 4 plus 4 is, drumroll please, is 8. 8 what? 8 beats. Okay, and just because I like you guys, I will give you a help on one of the notes. Let's do at random. I like this one, number 6. So number 6. From the last page, I know that a half note, which is this first thing here, gets 2 beats. And here's what's strange. Before, our eighth notes were drawn like this, right? They have a little flag. But sometimes you can link 2 of them together, and when you do, you get 2 of these. So this would be 1/2 and 1/2. So really I'm kind of adding 3 things here. So 2 plus a half is 2.5, plus another half would be 3. And so this is 3 beats. So anytime you see something like this in number 8, that's 1/2 plus 1/2. Or you can think of those as just 1. Again, here number 5, I know this is 1/2 plus 1/2 plus whatever's next to it, right? Actually, now that I'm looking at it, number 5 and number 8 are exactly the same. So if you figure those out, you should be able to figure the other ones out as well. Okay, cool. If you have any other questions, again, please always feel free to email me at kyle.berry@myrvla, that's a V, .org. Thanks.